Imagine you're starving. Not, I skipped lunch starving. I mean genuinely starving. You've spent hours searching for food. Finally, you find something to eat. Maybe a tough root. Maybe a piece of meat from a recent kill. You bite into it, and then you chew and chew and chew. For your ancestors, eating wasn't a 20-minute activity. It could take hours every single day. In fact, if you ate like a chimpanzee, you'd spend nearly half your waking life chewing food. And that's exactly why humans started cooking. Most people think cooking began because food tastes better hot. Others think it started because cooking kills bacteria. Both are true, but neither is the real reason. The strange truth is that cooking may have turned us into humans. Before cooking, our ancestors looked very different. They had larger teeth, stronger jaws, and bigger digestive systems. Eating raw food takes work. Tough plants, raw meat, roots, and nuts all require enormous amounts of chewing and digestion. Your body spends a huge amount of energy breaking that food down. Then something changed. At some point, ancient humans learned to control fire. Not just to stay warm, not just to scare away predators, to cook. And once they started, there was no going back. Cooking does something remarkable. It breaks food down before it even enters your body. Meat becomes softer. Plants become easier to digest. Starches release more calories. Your stomach suddenly has far less work to do. You get more energy from the same amount of food. That extra energy changed everything. Some anthropologists believe cooking is one of the main reasons humans developed larger brains. Our brains consume enormous amounts of energy compared to other animals. Cooked food provided more usable calories, helping support the growth of the most powerful brain on the planet. Think about that for a second. Your ability to read, speak, plan for the future, create art, build cities, and watch videos on your phone might trace back to someone accidentally dropping food into a fire hundreds of thousands of years ago. Cooking changed our bodies too. As food became softer, humans no longer needed massive teeth or powerful jaws. Over time, our faces became smaller. Our digestive systems shrank because food arrived partially processed. We became a species built for cooked food. But the effects went far beyond nutrition. Fire created something humans had never really experienced before: extra time. Before fire, darkness ended the day. After fire, people could stay awake safely after sunset. Predators stayed away. The camp stayed warm. And for the first time, humans could gather around a shared light in the darkness. And what do people do when survival isn't demanding every second of their attention? They talk. They tell stories. They teach children. They make plans. Some researchers believe those evenings around the fire helped strengthen language, culture, and social bonds. In a strange way, cooking may have helped create civilization long before civilization existed. What's fascinating is that nobody knows exactly when cooking began. Some evidence suggests humans were cooking hundreds of thousands of years ago. Other researchers believe the origins could stretch back nearly 2 million years. The exact date is still debated. But one thing isn't. Every human society ever discovered cooks food. Every single one. Different cultures, different languages, different beliefs, same behavior. Gather around fire, transform food, eat together. Which brings us back to you. Tonight you'll probably cook something without even thinking about it. Maybe you'll use a stove, maybe a microwave. Maybe you'll order food that somebody else already cooked. Either way, you're participating in one of the oldest traditions in human history. Because cooking isn't just something humans do. It may be one of the reasons humans became human in the first place.